how are you? You may already know how to say, how are you? But we're going to talk about some other useful, common, and casual ways to say, how are you? And how to respond to them in different ways. If I ask, how are you? What would you say? I bet I'm correct in thinking most of you answered, I'm fine, or I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine is a great answer. But when speaking English day to day casually, you'll find most people answer differently. I'm fine is a good enough answer, but let's level up your ability to continue a conversation after I'm fine. Some other things you might say if someone asks, how are you? Are pretty good. That means you're doing well. Pretty good. Another thing is, I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you? I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you? You could also say, not bad, not bad. Not bad is somewhat similar to saying so-so. It's neither great nor bad. Not bad. You? That's a great casual way to send the question back to them. Not bad. You? Or if you're doing less than good, or you're really not doing great, and you want to be honest with your answer, and you don't want to give too many details, you could say some things like, I've been better. I've been better. You could also say, I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. Do you see how my tone changed slightly when I said I'm doing okay? I didn't say, I'm doing okay. That would kind of be confusing. So I would say, I'm doing okay. That kind of means like, I'm not bad, but I'm not great either. You could also say, not too good. Not too good. You could also say, not great, not great. Just know that when you say some of these things, it is likely that the person will ask you, oh no, what's wrong? Or what's going on? They may even ask, do you want to talk about it? These are great responses to also know, just in case someone tells you, I'm not doing great, or not too good. You could say, what's going on? Or if you don't want to ask too many questions, or don't feel comfortable asking them what's wrong, you could say, I'm sorry to hear that. Can I help? I'm sorry to hear that. Can I help? This is a great way to show empathy, to be polite, and to bring your relationships with other people closer. Here in the United States, or in English in general, when you ask, how are you? You're typically just wanting a short, concise answer so that you can move on to a different topic of conversation. It's not usually literally asking, how is your health? Or how has your day been going? If you wanted to know those things, then you would go ahead and ask those questions directly. We can go over those questions a different time in class. Let's move on to some ways you can ask someone how they're doing. These terms are more casual. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? This is a great casual way to say, how are you? How's it going? Your response or their response would typically be, it's going well. Sometimes if you have a particularly close relationship with someone, you would hear, it's going. And that just means things are the same as they usually are. It's going. You could also say, pretty good. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. The next one is, what's up? what's up? This is the question of, how's it going? What's up? This is a really casual one. This one is used among friends or people that you see often. A lot of the times you'll see people running into each other that are close but haven't seen each other in a few days or even a while. You'll see them say, "Hey, what's up?" and maybe they hug each other. This one often doesn't require a response if it's said more as a greeting, "What's up?" and then you hug the other person. But you could respond, "Not much." "What's up?" "Not much." You could also say some other things like, "Nothing much." You could also just say, "Hey," because if it's just used as a greeting, then you would respond with a greeting as well. "What's up?" "Hey," to "What's up?" You could even answer with, "What's up?" Because like I said, it's a greeting. So, which of these have you used? Which of these do you feel comfortable using? I hope that you'll feel comfortable and confident using some of these casual ways to say, "How are you?" These are great ways to show people that your fluency is increasing. You'll feel more comfortable in casual conversation and even feel like you fit in among casual American speaking. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more classes on how to improve your English. Great job today, and we'll see you next time.